What's up everyone? It's the start of the day and we are down in the garage doing a full clear out. I have El Munchkin with me. Say hi Munchkin.
Hello.
So yeah, you seen in the last video I had all this done, prepped, sanded, ready for paint. Just have to wait for Aaron to come down. He's coming down tonight to do that bumper off some Honda. So hopefully he can get even just the gunmetal parts that I want for the car so we can then fit them next week. What we're going to do is we're going to push the Civic in a bit more so we can open the doors and get all this rubbish out, so then we can push the vanette back a bit and we have a bit more room in the garage, and then we can start tidying, because once we get rid of that rubbish we have room to move the toolboxes there and we have plenty of room. So let's get to it. So we have the stream all filled up. Oh, all filled up. Hopefully this closes now. Give it a good slam. Yep, she closed out. So we have all this room now. This needs to go. We take all that stuff up, weld up the holes, stand it upright. All these wheels are going. She's going in the bin or on eBay.
Hey!
eBay or the bin?
You said you were keeping me.
Oh, that's funny. Something I haven't seen in a while. My engine. It's still clean-ish. I might have to give it another little wipe down. Scrape off with a blade. So all the rubbish is gone. And there's going to be another little bit of rubbish from all this stuff that I masked off, but it's not too bad. That can come home with me and go in my bin. But all the heavy stuff is gone, thank God. Now we can move stuff around and we can push the van back. I can put my tools here out of the way, and then start putting stuff away to keep it tidy. So myself and the monster over there, look at that monster. We're going to head to the dump and we're going to get rid of it all now, and I'll be back down in the garage tonight. So I shall see you in 3, 2, 1. Woo! We're down here in the garage. Yay! Yeah! So yeah, in the garage, got my banner up. Hey Alan! Hey Alan! Got my banner up. Aaron's over there banging stuff. Why is he bothering? It's a rust bucket.
You're a bleeding rust bucket.
I know! Hence the ginger rust, but yeah, anyhow. Down here in the garage, Dawson again for another night. Al stressing out over there. He's What's going on?
What?
Anywho, down the garage. Gonna get nothing done tonight because we're all Dawson except for Aaron. He's over there welding Reaper's rig, getting it ready for show season. Show season 2024. 2025. 2026.
No pressure, Aaron.
I'm waiting on approval from Aaron to see what year it's going to be ready.
It'll definitely be a classic then.
It's going to be double vintage by the time it's done. So I'll turn the camera around and you can watch Aaron weld. Just for fun. Put it back on and have a look. Japanese pimping the van. Pimp it. Pimp it, pimp it.
Put it just up top of it right there. What do you think?
That's
It doesn't have to
Mr.
be
Plow.
It can be at, it can be at the proper angle. There's the proper angle there. Probably the proper angle.
You're never gonna. That's never gonna disappear. Hi, Alan! Oh. And then we wonder when we're like, shit, we got nothing done.
This is a nut house. This place is a nut house.
Oh. Like a virgin.
Woo! Put your hands on.
Oh, you put the fire out with the anger grinder. I see. I see. Take out the sound and put some sexy music behind it, you know?
Chicka wow wow. Woo! Yeah, motherfuckers.
Here we have two orangutans in the wild.
Oh, today's episode of Half Fucked Up is fucked up.
Oh.
Yeah, well, this is fucked up.
That's fucked
Where's
up.
that green tape? Give us the green tape, Jamie. Come.
Get the green tape. Monkey tape. Monkey tape. Monkey tape. Monkey, take the tape. Tape monkey.
I was like a man.
It looks terrible. Oh, you cut the grill for her now, did you?
We need to cut it a bit more. We need to glue it back together first. And then cut it a bit more. I'm trying to
If all fails, tape it. Sound like your man out of Police Academy.
Zed.
I'm telling you, man.
That looks great!
Just making a lid on the front of it. Oh, it's coming off all on
We
the
go
top.
fast as stripes, please. That's exactly the plan.
Oh, ring, ding, 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 ding.
You have to take a picture from back far. Where's the little clampy voice grips at?
Doesn't matter. We'll move it away and have a look.
How are you looking at?
It's such a filler. It's grand.
No, stand really far back. stand extra far back. Grill trim down a bit more might actually work, what do you think? You looking at the bumpers? What do you think?
Wait, that's the back one. Yeah, the other one's the front. Alan didn't do very well at sex education.
What, the whole thing is fucking back to front. For fuck's sake, like.
Oh, look at that. Bring back the max power days.
Can you get another one of them bumpers?
Ah, yeah, they're easily got. It's a Cento Sport, like, here.
What? Do you reckon he has one?
Yeah. You reckon?
Alright.
Yeah, we. Sex spec, yeah.
It could actually work
Yeah.
genuinely.
Literally, I'd say if you cut it right across on that line, all the way flat, and put it up to it, maybe cut it in half and split it.
Yeah, you'd have to split it and extend it.
Yeah.
Would you?
Will we do it? Alan, would you like to make a sex spec van? Might be.
I think that bumper could one of them.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Wah. Right, so sanded this bumper down for Aaron. He's going to stay down here and paint that tonight, so we'll have a look at that when we come down the next day. Hopefully it's still here. It's night time for me. I'm going home. Aaron's chilling here, still working. So from both of us, peace out. See you in the next one.